Hi, how often have we come across a scenario where we wanted to sort the top 10 customers by sales or the top 10 dimensions by any measure? This example right here sorts the top 10 customers by their sales in every quarter of the year. I will take you through a tabular visualization of the same requirement. Year 2024, quarter 1, top 10 customers, and the sum of the value of these sales for each of these top 10 customers. This is the second view, and if you wanted to be creative, this could be another visualization where you have the quarters of the year as columns, and then the top 10 customers in each of those quarters and their dollar value for the sales stacked up in a tabular fashion. Before we get into the solution, I'm Ojo. I'm a data fan since 2012 2013. I'm passionate about Tableau. Let's get started with the build process. In a new sheet, right click and drag order date to the rows, select year. Right click, drag order date, select quarter. Place the customer name in the rows. Then drag the sum of sales into columns. Sort from the highest number to the lowest number. Let's take a look at what it does. For every quarter in that year, my customers are sorted from the highest to the lowest sales dollars. Fantastic. Now, when it comes to ranking, I've used a calculated field here, which is use of rank function wrapped around the sum of sales. Now, let me change that to discrete. We drag sales rank before customer name. I want to make sure that the table calculation is set up correctly here. Under the specific dimensions, I want to untick the year and quarter and leave customer name as ticked. That is for each year and quarter, I'm ranking my customers by the sales value. That is control, drag this field into filters, say none. I want to make sure I select one. While holding the shift down, I go up to 10 and then I click on the checkbox. This makes sure that I have all the top 10 selected. Now, for each year quarter, I get only the top 10 customers selected. Click on this T to show the marks label. With this, we have now fulfilled the requirement of creating a bar chart which shows the top 10 customers by quarter. If we wanted to create a tabular view where the ask is that these top 10 customers, the sales value should be added up and displayed to us as a field, then this is the window sum calculation. The nested field is evaluated first. We are saying if the rank of some sales is less than equal to 10, then give me the sum of sales, or else return 0. Anything that's a top 10 by rank, it returns the sum of sales dollars. Anything that's not in the top 10, it returns 0. Now, the window sum formula adds it up. When we will drag the order date, year, quarter, sum of sales broken down by customer name. Now let's bring in the sales rank, edit calculation, make sure the year and quarters are ticked off like how we saw before, and now drag this back onto the filters, shift select the top 10. Okay, these will leave just the top 10, and now We'll drag this window sum here, change this to a discrete, and now drag this window sum right after the quarter. Make sure that the window sum calculation, which is a nested calculation, on the window sum, we want to keep just the customer name. And in the sales rank, which is the nesting because it's using the rank formula, we want to make sure that in the nested rank calculation as well, it's just the customer name. This way, we arrive at 44,990, which when we highlight these, the top 10, if we can validate, the sum over here is 44,991. It's a matter of formatting. Right click, format, number custom, and we take the trailing decimals out. This is how we would create a tabular view. If you wanted to create this view, very similar, let's duplicate this sheet. Take the years and the quarters. Now, drag in the customer name to the text table. Window sum can go up right after the quarters. Hit entire view, and there you have. It's a matter of formatting. 12, change color, make it bold. We can even make it a little bigger. Let's say 16. And there you have the solution. Hope you had fun learning along with me. Build along and let me know what you think about it. Thanks.